Jeremy from OGM Engineering. I'm one of the managers here. Two aspects of our business. One is a project side where we do design, construct and installation of turnkey plants for the waste industry. The other side is the general engineering stream, so mild steel fabrication, stainless steel, aluminium. So fairly varied with what we do. At the moment we're edging towards more growth in the food industry, so more stainless steel work, which is where the Orbital comes into supporting us. Why did we choose to go with the Orbital Welder? It was the right fit for where we wanted to head with growing our food industry side of our business. We were lacking some stainless steel welders at that stage when we were looking at purchasing the unit. This sort of gave us a little bit more grounding with our guys and put another skill set into our business as well. Our initial thoughts on the Orbital Welder, look, great investment, aligned with where we wanted to be heading with the business. And it probably brought a lot of our other guys to an even playing field with a skill set as well and a good outcome, and also improve our productivity. So the Orbital Welder, compared to our previous welding techniques, certainly improved our productivity, but also given us a consistent weld quality across the board with anybody that's using the Orbital Welder. Any new people that start with their business, we train them up on it realistically within 2 to 3 hours of them being comfortable with stainless and the programming format and the usability and functionality of the system. Yeah, within 3 or 4 hours they're more than competent in being trained on how to use it. The technology, and instead of standing back from it, they've certainly welcomed it and embraced it and trying now to refine it and get a little bit more out of it where we can as well. It's certainly increased our ability to turn jobs around. Yeah, certainly seeing it through on-site jobs as well, so certainly with rush jobs. The customer support has been really good. Brandon did a lot of training with the guys early days and has also offered to come back and has been back on a number of occasions and done some follow-up training when we've had new employees come in. Would I recommend the Orbital Welder? Yes, I certainly would. In this space, I think, yeah, it's a bit of a no-brainer really.